Ka eryong ka bajur ka bala sela na phang hinin kamien kala khirwet na phang ki yen ki sem ki dian ki sil bar ki jing thong jing tam bat na kalyang u deputy commissioner garib hoi district tang hadian kani ka jingjia ula lomda ka jingalang bakar ki bat ki officer kumjoru ki BDO jong ki block ba pher habakranch ki lat pathai khubor u DC ula ong ba katkum ka jingyo jingtep na ki BDO jong ki block ba pher hadu shispa sau punyo tali kishnong kila SHAH KTAH HAKA ERIONG kabla salat na phang hinin kamien bat PALAT HAJAR tali ki LONGIING kila SHAH pinjulor bat nakalyang Khubor district kila yale katbala ban pinpoi ki JINGIARAP bakirki kum ki marbam ki tirpal bat kiwe kajingwan ke eryong bat uslam kala pinthudru ya ka boarding electric ha kabala SHAH KTAH ka shispa lai pu RKV line ha birnihan bat ha umyam bat kumju kalai pulai KV line hanong po namar kata hadu minta ki ba ki haban shong klem boarding bat nakalyang ki bor sinshar district kila batha ekatanat boarding bakan pin kloy bat maramod yakini kilan knang man pin biang boarding biang shki ba ha kaju kapor udisi ula kirpar ki LONGIING ki ba SHAH KTAH HAKA ERIONG hinrei kim pat yo JINGIARAP bakin pintip SHAH ka office deputy commissioner knang bakin yo JINGIARAP ha kapor ka babiang.
So yesterday, after a late night storm, today we took a meeting with all the BDOs, with all the line departments to assess the damage that has been inflicted upon the entire district. So as per the compilation, as per the latest report that we have received from the BDO so far, a total number of 147 number of villages have been affected. More than 1,000 houses, I mean 1,028 houses to be exact, as of now, have suffered damages of various extents. Some houses have been fully damaged also, and some houses have received partial damage. Simultaneously, as far as the utilities are concerned, there was one landslide, small landslide on the Umling Patharkama road that has already been cleared, so that road has been restored. As far as electrical lines are concerned, that have suffered maximum amount of damage also. So, for example, near Umiam there has been some severe disruption. Barnihat also there has been disruption in the 132 kV lines, and simultaneously, as far as Nongpo is concerned, the 33 kV line is still yet to be restored. However, we are closely coordinating with the MEPDCL also to ensure that all these lines are restored as soon as possible. As far as relief measures are concerned, after the meeting that we had with the BDOs today, we had instructed our BDOs that they will be going to all the to as many villages as possible to assess the impact, to connect, to basically reach out to all the people who have received the brunt, whose houses have been affected in the yesterday's storm. We have also disbursed dry ration and tarpaulin sheets in form of immediate relief to all these households, because collection of bank accounts and assessment of damage and then ultimate dispersal of the relief amount, which is basically the relief amount in terms of monetary compensation, that will take some time. But for immediate relief, we have disbursed dry ration through our FPS centers, as well as we have also disbursed tarpaulin sheets and blankets. Simultaneously, we have issued a public notice. I'll be sharing a copy with you, wherein we have circulated numbers of block offices, of DC office. If anyone within entire district feels that they have not received the relief despite being a victim of yesterday's storm, they can reach out to us, and these numbers will remain valid for this entire monsoon season. Whenever they feel that their houses, their infrastructures have suffered damage, they can reach out to us, and we'll make sure that immediate relief can be provided to them. We are also in close coordination with media. I want to thank our friends from media who have been calling me since morning and reporting me damages, and simultaneously very thankful to the local representatives also. I'm in touch with all honorable MLAs of Vibhoi, and they have also reported different sorts of damages, which we are taking into account while dispersing relief.